So we're going to be learning how to use blooming gel. Blooming gel is actually a very simple tutorial, guys. Yes, so we're starting with our base coat. Okay, so apply our base coat, we'll cure for 60 seconds, and then we'll dive over to the next step. So this is what is given after curing for 60 seconds, and we're going to be applying our base color, which is this pepper red. Guys, this is actually the only pepper red that I have for now, so we'll be sticking to it for now, though I'm going to be getting soon, okay, to add to it because this one is already getting finished already. Okay, so we are going to be applying any color of your choice. Okay, but this is a season of red. Yes, that is why I chose to use red as our base for today. Okay, so apply your base color, like I said, any color of your choice, and then you cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, before we apply our blooming gel. It's very easy and very simple. So I did the rest of camera, and this is what is given. Guys, red is actually a very beautiful color. So this is the blooming gel we are using for today. Okay, so we'll apply our blooming gel. Okay, and then don't cure it. Okay, use your dot pin to drop the dots of any color of your choice. We are using black. Okay, then allow it to bloom before you cure for 60 seconds and above, which I will advise you to cure for at least 120 seconds. Okay, guys, the amount of the dot pin that I used was actually small. I was not really satisfied with what it was giving me. Okay, so I just went ahead with it just like that, and then for the second fingers and the rest, I used a bigger mount. That's the other side of the mount. Okay, dotting pin comes with different mounts. As you can see, this one is actually bigger, so I will allow it to bloom very well just as soon as we apply our blooming gel. Then allow drop your dots or any design of your choice. Okay, you can also use blooming gel to do marble design, of which I've actually shown you guys here on this channel, so you can always check our playlist to find your preferred videos. Okay, hope you are understanding the video. It's as simple as that. Just apply your blooming gel and then use your dot pin to drop the dots. Okay, as you can see, this particular hand, I'm actually expanding my hand. Okay, so that it's going to bloom wider. Okay, so it depends on how you want it. You want it to be small. You can see the first finger, the mouth was smaller. Okay, the second one, it was bigger, and then the third one, it was the same bigger size. Okay, but I'm actually dragging it. Okay, you can see the way I'm doing it. This fourth hand is the same big amount, but I'm dragging it. Okay, I drop it and I drag it a little bit so that it's going to bloom wider, and I think I actually like that fourth hand. Okay, so if I'm going to recreate this design, I'm actually going to go with this particular one, which is what I'm doing now. Okay, the same thing with the fourth hand. I will drop it, then I will drag it to allow it to bloom. Okay, and this is what's given. That is all. And then for the next step for today's tutorial, okay, because we're actually done in applying blooming gel, you can choose to apply top coat. Okay, but me, I am applying jelly gel. This is not the actual jelly gel. Okay, I actually mix base coat with a bit of red gel polish. Okay, if you have jelly gel, it's perfect. Okay, but I don't have jelly gel, so I mixed base coat with gel polish, which it did not really come out the way I wanted it to. Okay, I think if I have used the actual jelly gel, it will give me what I wanted. Okay, but I think the design is actually okay at the end of the day. So after applying it, I applied my top coat. Okay, this is what is giving me. After applying the this my mixed jelly gel. Okay, it's kind of I'm applying top coat. Is the difference is not really that much. Okay, so next time we are going to be trying it with the actual jelly gel. Now we are applying our top coat. Okay, yes, to seal our design. Apply our top coat and then we cure for 60 seconds and or more. I always advise you to do more. In short, because this is blooming gel, and then we also apply this what's it called, jelly gel or base coats. Okay, I will advise you to cure it for even more than 120 seconds. Okay, just apply it, keep curing it till it dries up. Okay, and I think it came out beautiful. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section, and we'll definitely see in our next video. Okay, bye and thank you for watching. For my returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. And please, if you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It's free, it does not cost you anything. Rather, you are the one telling YouTube to push this channel, this small channel, to other viewers. Alright guys, see you in our next video. Bye.